Ate China.
Kasi ako, sobrang
Tsaka si Loisa!
Hindi ka nagigis. Uy!
Saan ba tayo pupunta?
Ewan mo, sa parking lot daw.
Okay, kung saan man yan. See you later. Ami!
Yes, kami ng blue team. Ay, ano ba ito tayo? Ay,
Blue team! Yes! We are the music!
go blue team!
Captain America! Blue team, mga bata sa likod. You're so cute! Can I take you home? No. You'll think about it. Okay, you're so cute. Excited na kayo?
Yes! Super excited!
Yung totoo. Ay, yung chan ko! Ay, Not. Ay ka na. Ay, ano naman to eh. Copyright, dali.
Videographer na tayo ngayon eh.
Iyayabangan na ako. Sino po yung magaling sa basketball?
Oh!
Dawid ko.
Kobe, sumagot ka!
Hey, Sonia.
We are here, gathered today for a very special event here at
Celebrity Keme.
Celebrity.
Bye! Ay! Nash! Bastos! How are you?
Fine.
Tired?
How are you?
Fine, thank you. You're so good. Say hello to my viewers. Say hello.
Hello po. Sana po patuloy niyo pong suportahan ang mga kanyang English at konya-konya.
Sira.
Konya, makeup. My foundation, you know my foundation.
Sira. Hi, Cobs!
Ito pinaka-poging kaibigan namin at pinaka-chick boy. Yan ang Twitter niya at Kobe Vidanes. Kung gusto niyo ng poging boyfriend at saka palaging
Hit him up.
Yung instant killing.
Hello! Hi! Hello!
Hello, JK. Ay!
Hello, Gray! Ay! Ang dami! Ang dami! Iba?
Walang.
Hi, Inigo! Inigo! Huh? Sports Fest is done. And we lost. But you still won because of your handsome face. Hey guys! So, nasa bahay na ako, kakauwi ko lang. And as you can see, haggard ng lola mo. Hindi ko nga alam kung ba't ako napagod. Nagpaganda lang naman ako sa Sports Fest bilang muse ako doon. So, and wala naman akong sport. Pero hopefully, next Sports Fest, may malaro na ako. Magpa-practice na ako mag-badminton and everything. Medyo pagod na talaga ako and antok na ako. So, feeling ko, itutulog ko na lang to pagkatapos kong gawin tong outro. Sana nag-enjoy kayo kahit na medyo may kaguluhan yung aking pag-vlog dahil mahirap mag-vlog kanina sa Sports Fest dahil ang dami kong bit-bit na bags and all. Pero, I'm sure I'm gonna get better sa pag-vlog. Total, hindi pa naman ako ganun kasanay. But anyway, I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys still enjoyed this video. And kung may questions kayo about dun sa mga nangyari sa Sports Fest, you guys can comment on the comment section down below and I will gladly answer as much as I can. So sorry for the weird video. Napagtripan ko lang. Gusto ko kasi talagang i-vlog yung mga nangyari sa akin for the past few days. And I'm sorry kung hindi siya sobrang ayos, kung hindi siya sobrang ganda and all. But anyway, hopefully sa mga susunod na videos ko, mas maayos na. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed and don't forget to like this video. Of course, comment on the comment section down below and don't forget to subscribe. By the way, I have an idea. I don't know if you guys are game for it, but I hope you are. I plan to have a giveaway, and again, comment down below if you wanna participate in my giveaway. Details will be in my next video. Medyo matagal-tagal pa kasi pinaghahandaan ko pa ng maigi. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until my next video, bye!